Hi everyone and welcome back to our JavaScript tutorial series. So today we will dive into an essential concept like return values. So functions often performs a task and return a result, enabling us to reuse values in our code example. So today we explore what returns value are. They are crucial and took at this powerful example and differentiate and understand them better. So by the end of this tutorial, you will know how to use return values effectively in your program. So now let's get started. So first we are creating here the basic return values. Okay, so now let's start with a simple example, a function that region and the square of the numbers. Okay, so first of all here type the function name is a square, so its type the proper square is inside including in this number. Okay, so now we are using the statement for number and multiplication sign, don't get the number. Next, creating here is a late defined variable, just is a result. Okay, then is equal to just calling for the square, and so now I'm including the value of a 4. Okay, then I'm using the output statement is console.log is inside for the result. Okay, you can see in this example, and this function takes on argument, this is called the number, and multiply for the itself and reach the result using the region cure. And even example, this calling a square for gives us the web system. We is locked for the console and without a return statement, and the function couldn't provide any usable out. So now let's see in this program output, and just I save and then click on this run icon. So as you can see here, it's properly printing the output for the system. Okay, so I hope you completely understand it. Okay, so the next example topic for returning string. So let's see how you can return a string, and here an example. So just remove for again. Okay, so now first I'm creating here again the function, and the function name I'm applying here is great, and this inside including here is a name. Okay, so now using this curly bracket, so now again using the return statement, and this inside are the message. So here first of all I'm type for hello and the dollar symbol, and then declare for the parameter of name. Okay, next is creating define the variable of lead, and also type for here is the breaking message is equal to type the symbol of the break, and this inside creating the person name using here email, and creating this output statement is a console.log method, and this inside I'm creating here is a gradient. Okay, so here in this example it's completely done, and here in this example the grade function take is same as input as returns a personalized greeting, and the brackets in this brackets just allows us for to embedded variables using the dollar and the curly brackets design. This makes functions versatile for generating dynamic stream. Okay, so now just save in this code and run this code now, and just click on, and as you can see it is properly printing the output for the hello children. Okay, it's done. Now just going for another example for returning object. Finally, let's look at how the function can return object, which is especially useful in complex. Okay, so now I'm just again remove those, and first of all just again define the function name is a create user, and we change that first of I'm all type the username, and next I'm including here the age, and now I'm apply the curly brackets, right? This means that type the return statement and also using the curly brackets. So first of all type the username and again type the username, and now I'm define for age and create clone and again type the age. Okay, so it's perfect, and then define the variable is late and the user is equal to properly type the create user. So now here I'm using the person name is Olivia, and Olivia age is 25. Okay, then I'm applying for here the output statement is console.log method. So now I'm a certificate user. Okay, so you can see here is perfectly creating this example, and I'm saving this code, and let me see the output. So as you can see here is properly printing the user from Olivia at the age of 25. Okay, so that means it's completely working in this tutorial. So today properly cover how functions return value in JavaScript, ranging from simple read numbers and string to complex objects. Okay,